What if your clinic had a receptionist that never misses a call, speaks multiple languages, and books appointments automatically? This is a Lumina Dental AI Receptionist, a simple voice based digital assistant that answers patient questions and book appointments instantly. The app is intentionally kept minimal. Patients just choose a language, here English or German, tap once, and start talking. When the language changes, the whole app will be updated into that language, and the reception starts immediately, switches and responds in that language. All right, let me show you a live demo of how the receptionist respond to a patient's call. This is the digital receptionist of our dental clinic. Let me call the receptionist and see how it will respond. This is the button. Okay, let me call.
Hello, Lumina Dental. This is Sarah. How can I help you today?
I have a toothache. Can I book an appointment? Is that possible?
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear you're in pain. Yeah, we can definitely get you in. What's your full name, please?
My name is Hari Krishna.
Okay, Harry Krishna.
Mhm.
Let me just pull up our schedule here. Okay, I see some openings next week. Would perhaps Monday afternoon or Tuesday morning work for you?
Monday afternoon?
Okay, perfect. I've just popped a little form onto your screen with those details. If you could just double check them and add your email address, I'll get that all confirmed for you. Anything else I can help you with while you do that?
Where is your clinic located actually?
Oh, we're located in the city center, just down the street from the big park.
What are your opening hours?
Oh, we're open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday through Friday, and we're also open Saturday mornings.
Oh, that's great. What's the doctor's name?
Oh, we have three main dentists here: Dr. Wells, Dr. Singh, and Dr. Rodriguez.
Oh, I never heard of these names. Are you kidding me?
Oh no, I'm just Sarah from the front desk. I guess I've had too much coffee today if I sound that efficient.
All right. Thanks for your. Please send me the form.
Ah, our
And
number is 555-1212.
all right.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else today. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
That's it. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I hope you feel better soon. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
That was fantastic. Sarah is amazing. Okay, let me switch the language to German here on the top, and I'll see how it will talk. How the receptionist will respond in German. Obviously, she speaks better German than me, but we'll see. Sprech beginnen. Hallo,
Wie kann ich Ihnen helfen?
ähm, ich habe Zahnschmerzen. Ich musste einen Termin vereinbaren morgen, wenn es geht.
Oh, Schmerz. Das ist natürlich nicht so gut. Lassen Sie mich mal kurz in den Kalender schauen. Morgen, den 12. Ah, ja, da sehe ich eine Öffnung um 11 Uhr morgens. Würde das passen?
Und das passt mir sehr gut.
Prima. Ich habe eine Bestätigung für Sie auf Ihrem Bildschirm gesendet. Wenn Sie nur Ihren Namen und Ihre E-Mail-Adresse eingeben könnten, ist das alles gebucht. Kann ich Ihnen noch etwas helfen?
Aber ich habe ein paar Fragen. Welche Behandlungen bieten Sie eigentlich?
Wir bieten alle Standardbehandlungen an, von Kontrolluntersuchungen und Reinigungen bis hin zu Wurzelbehandlungen und Zahnentfernungen. Machen Sie sich keine Sorgen. Wir besprechen das alles im Detail, wenn Sie hier sind. Haben Sie eine bestimmte Frage zu einer Behandlung?
Behandeln Sie auch Notfälle?
Ah, genau. Wir haben Notfalltermine für dringende Fälle. Wenn Sie das Gefühl haben, dass es wirklich dringend ist, dann sagen Sie mir Bescheid und wir können einen Blick darauf werfen. Möchten Sie, dass ich Ihnen einige Optionen aufzeige?
Nein, danke schön.
Kann ich Ihnen noch etwas helfen?
Nein,
Alles klar, machen Sie das. Und wenn Sie noch Fragen haben, bin ich ja da.
alles klar.
Tschüssi!
Okay, this is the simple demo of what the digital receptionist can do. This isn't just for dental clinics. The digital receptionist can be used by any business: clinics, salons, gyms, real estate, restaurant, or service companies. If you want a digital receptionist for your business that works round the clock, speaks multiple languages, and converts visitors into bookings, this is exactly what I built. Reach out me if you want your own digital receptionist today. Have a great day. Thank you.